Okay, what we're doing here today is I created a leak, I think, in this line at the crimp here. This is the nitrous line that comes from the bottle. Right here, this crimp. When I first set this up, I had a different type of manifold here. I made this one here out of some AN fittings, and it went up higher than this, and I was trying to bend this a little bit too much, and I compromised the crimp. So I'm going to take this off, cut it off. We're going to put a pergola fitting on there with an olive, because this is Teflon core. This will have a Teflon lining. So we're going to do that today. Get rid of our leak, and then everything on the system will be good. So right here is where we're gonna cut it off and prep it for the new fitting. Okay, what we've done here is just kind of try to secure this hose so that we can make a nice square cut. So I just put a couple of weights here. I wanted to cover the engine bay. I don't want any of these any debris getting in the engine bay or on the air filter or anything like that. So what I did here is just wrap that braided line with masking tape to kind of keep it together. So this way when we cut it, it stays together and it's neat. So that's really what we want, to have a nice, neat connection and square. So the other thing. Okay, here's our fitting. I just sprayed some soapy water on here. We have no leaks. Alright, got the bottle pressure up to 90 degrees, so it should be about 950. Even went a little higher. No leaks anywhere here. So this is our line coming from the bottle. And we're going through this Pergola 680104BL fitting. This fitting is specifically designed for a nitrous line with a steel braiding and a PTFE tube on the inside. This fitting has what they call an olive, which is a compression fitting that gets crimped onto the PTFE between that and the stem of the fitting itself. So this type of fitting is what you need to fix a 4 AN line on a ZEX system like this. So again, we have no leaks, so we're in pretty good shape here. Some people may not know, I don't know if they've been following along with the channel, but this here is the purge line that goes out to our solenoid down here that goes out the front of the car. And here's our nitrous delivery line going into our ZEX module, which is basically a circuit board and nitrous in solenoid, fuel in solenoid, and it comes out the bottom goes out here and mixes into the jet over here. And there's two smaller jets inside here that you change according to how much fuel and nitrous that you want to mix and go into the throttle body. But we have a changing jets video, and we have also a nitrous installation video that goes more into detail with those things. I hope you all on YouTube have a good day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. We're going to be having more videos, similar videos, different mods on the car, racing, drag racing coming up, showing how the car progresses as we keep on making mods.